Guys, look how tender this is. See that? The bone just fell off. Oh, just like that.
Hello and welcome to Aspen Cooking, my friends. Today's a great day. You know why? We're cooking ribs. These babies have been cooking in sous vide machine at 145 degrees for 18 hours, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to finish them, what sauce I'm going to be using. Let's get cooking. It looks like our ribs are all ready. This is pretty thin. They're kind of sort of the same size in here, but I think, sous vide machine will even them out. They're very meaty. That is perfect. I'm gonna try to remove this membrane from one of these guys, and see if that still keeps the ribs intact. Got a trusty paper towel. Ooh, you know what? Yes, I will remove this membrane from all of them. See how nice and crisp that thing just peeled off. See if I can fully remove the rest, just like that. Ooh, that's good. That's perfect. All right, I think we are ready now. So let's get going. The ribs will start to sweat a little, and this will allow our rub to stick on them. Guys, it says American Royal Competition winner team created this rub, and this one is by Mike and Davey Davis of Delight, Arkansas. I'm excited. I'm hoping this rub will make our ribs taste incredible. Looking forward to it. All right, let's go ahead and apply the rub on the other side of our ribs. Let's go ahead and start sending our ribs in. Just like that. Perfect. All right, now we'll vacuum seal it. Here's what we have left with, right here. Perfect. Let's go ahead and dip it in the bath. And let's talk about temperature and time. It's 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 hours, guys. It will be so freaking delicious. For one, because you have to wait for so long. For two, it's because this method is incredible. Oh, by the way, we will finish these babies on the grill, and the sauce. That barbecue sauce will be on point. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Guys, first things first, let's go ahead and drain these babies. And we're going to save this juice. We're going to need it. I'll show you what we're going to do with them. Incredible. We're going to use this for our barbecue sauce base. Wonderful. All right, we're going to take them out. But you know what we're missing here, guys? We're missing the smoke flavor. So my smoker is going right now. It's at 225 degrees roughly. And we're going to smoke these babies for additionally about 30 minutes or so. Maybe a little less, we'll really see. I'm gonna set it to a high smoke setting on my pellet grill. And and while that's going to be happening, we'll start cooking our sauce. Folks, we're gonna use about a quarter cup of our ketchup, a small can of tomato sauce, quarter cup of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna use some honey mustard. And over here we have a quarter cup of brown sugar, quarter cup of paprika, tablespoon of cayenne pepper, some chili flakes, onion powder, and garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of both. Let's go ahead and add them in. Ooh, nice. Perfect. Mustard goes in. You know what, I'm just going to eyeball the mustard. Ketchup. We got some apple vinegar. We're not going to use a whole lot, guys. About 1/8 of a cup or so. Giant whisk, and off we go. Okay, a couple of things that I did not use. Tomato paste, I didn't need it at all. I actually added a little bit more ketchup than originally, and then a tiny bit of that apple vinegar. Now, let's give it a try. You know what? The smoked paprika and the tanginess that comes through the heat from cayenne pepper, it's going to be great. I'm going to go ahead and brush it onto the ribs while they're still on the smoker, and then we'll bring this baby in about 5 minutes. Guys, The ribs are ready. I've been waiting for this for like, what, 18 hours plus? See that? I just fold off the bone. Man, see that? The bone just comes out. Mmm. Juicy, tender. That sauce, as a matter of fact, let me dip some. I'm gonna dip this pork into our sauce because I think, it's delicious. Man, hot. Yes, definitely a must-try recipe. You know what I'm thinking for next week? Remember, I still have an elk tomahawk. I'm gonna cook that. Let me show you my tomahawk. Elk tomahawk, baby. Look at that. Perfectly frozen. I'm gonna think of a recipe and I'm going to film it for you guys. Guys, again, if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in more videos for you.